Rob and Jen here from
Hey guys.
Cupcakeology. Thank you for watching another step-by-step video tutorial of 11 from the oven, where we show you guys how to bake like a pro with our homemade cake batter. And today we showed you how to do our cupcake sugar cones using our chocolate, vanilla, and red velvet batter this time. It was so easy, so fun. The kids had a blast doing it.
And not only do we have things to do for the adults and the big industry guys out there, but we also have lots of fun things to do with the kids with this cupcake batter. So please come and check us out at 1101 McDade Boulevard in Collindale, PA. Okay, please check out our Facebook page, and you can check out our Instagram also. We love you guys. Keep watching. There's more to come. And remember, at Cupcakeology, we don't just bake cakes and cupcakes. We provide happiness in a box.
It's good!